So I just wanted to briefly show you basically what it is to be a vending machine business owner. I think there's a lot of trending going on right now. You see fat stacks of cash, as I'll pull out of this machine in a second. It's really not that much money when you account for product costs. As you can see, we got some pretzels up there on 111. It's for $2. They cost us 85 cents. Yes, we do have a higher margin, or try to have a higher margin than most vending business owners out there, just because we understand that this business is all about margins, and you can increase your margins because, as you can see, we are kind of in a captive space. People come here multiple times a week. There's events here. So where else are they going to go? There's no convenience stores nearby. You kind of have to price things and tailor things based on your market and the people using your machines. If the demographic is a lower income area, you're going to want to price your stuff lower, have a lower margin, make more money. Really depends on you though, because if your margins are high and you make less, you're still making more money. If your margins are low and you make more, it equals out. So depends on you and what you want to do. But secondly, I think the most important thing is always test a location out. This location, I wasn't sure how I was going to perform. They wanted 2 machines. I said, hey, let me put a combo. This machine actually comes in 2 parts. Let me show you guys. It literally is held in by 2 screws, one here, one here. They come off. Each piece is the top is about 150 pounds, super easy to move. The bottom's a little more than that, probably about 300 pounds because of the compressor. And yeah, that's pretty much a big deal. But as you can see, we got some stuff sold out. I'll go ahead, fill this up, and then I'll show you guys kind of how much we made. And I'll talk a little more about what you can do to get out there and start your vending business as quick as possible. I think anyone looking for videos on YouTube, as I was when I started my business years ago, I was looking for the best info on how to get started right now. And truthfully, we'll just go over it at this exact moment. The best thing you could do for yourself is get a location, get a logo, get a website, get some business cards, get your name out there where you live in your town, the surrounding hour of an area around you. Get yourself out there, get people talking about your business, share a post on Facebook saying you're starting a vending business, find some machines you can afford, whether used, new, etc. Credit card processor is a must in 2023, a must in 2023. I have to repeat that because so many people are still not putting credit card processors on their machine. You're losing out on 70% of your income because of that. So one of the biggest things I would just tell you, get yourself out there in any way possible. Join the Facebook groups, join anything in your town, put your vending business in those groups, run an ad if you have to for your area, and basically just pitch your location, come up with a USP, a unique selling proposition for your vending business. This varies based on each business, depending on what you do, how you do it, and what you plan to do in the future. So just think about that. Use ChatGPT. I think that's kind of another video I might kind of digress into, is essentially go on ChatGPT. If you don't know what it is, look it up. OpenAI came out with this software where you can type in anything to it, ask it anything, and it will prompt you an awesome response for you, for your vending business, for your dropshipping business, for anything. Just go on there, say, hey, how do I market my business in this area? I'm, trying to locate vending machines. But how it works is, right now, I'll even let you know, I don't even pay rent here. I'm not even paying rent to have this location. No commission, nothing. So it's 100% my profits, my money. And I think that's one of the most important things that people kind of mess up when they start this business, is they say, hey, why pay rent? Or, I feel like I have to pay rent. It's not right for the business owner who's space. But guess what? They have a lot of space. And I'm providing a $3,500 machine plus the $300 credit card processor, almost $4,000 of stuff just sitting here that's on my dime as a vending business owner and not on this location. So that's very important to kind of realize and conceptualize the fact that, it is your vending business, it is your service, it is your opportunity. As much as it is for the business and a service for the business, it's your opportunity, and you have to make sure you pitch your vending machine accordingly. And guys, I don't want to get too long-winded. That's pretty much about it, but let's get into a collection here. And yeah, the Nayax cord's kind of annoying because it's super long, but has to be. But simply pop this bad boy out. Got some bills. Pop it open. Show you guys what we got. Little stack. Let's see. Let me screw this up. All right. Got some 5s in there. And that's pretty much it. And now I count this up, see how much I made, subtract my product cost, and bam, that is my profit margin for this machine. And guys, it is a lot easier than it looks. The biggest part is moving these machines. It can be a pain, and filling the machines on a weekly basis, making sure they're not empty like this, because this means you're losing money every single row when you come in. Pretend as if you're losing $1 a day, because those are the hot sellers. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and some of these are $2 items. So let's say $4 to $6 every single day. I'm not here servicing this machine. I'm losing money. I'm losing sales, and I'm upsetting my customers at this location. One of the biggest realizations I had and misconceptions that exist in this industry because of TikTok and vending being a viral thing, because of the stacks of singles that come out of these machines, is this only comes out when this is empty, but once this is empty, you should be here, so this is fatter. And it's that simple. So if you want to make more money in this business, if you want to start this business, start small, start somewhere, get yourself out there. If you don't have the money, start with honor boxes or bulk candy. If you do have the money, grow into cranes or soda and snack machines, and make sure you're always out there hustling, landing more accounts, looking for more accounts. I think that's the biggest thing in this industry, is that 90% of your time needs to be spent locating. And locating simply means going door to door, getting on the phone, talking to friends, putting stuff out there on social media for others to see that you are in the vending business and that you are interested in locating more businesses for your machines, just like these. And if you want machines like this, go to Sega.com or call up Mark at Sega and say, I referred you over there, and Mark's a great guy. He'll help you out. So don't forget that this business will not sleep. This business does not sleep. This is a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week apartment complex. People are here 24/7, and I think that's the gold mines. I mean, it didn't make too much money in a week, probably about $100 with credit card sales, but that's another $400 on this route that wasn't there before. This location's about a month old. It's a little slower than my typical accounts, but I had one of these machines sitting, and I said, hey, might as well put a machine in here. So I did, and here we are. And thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. This is probably one of my locations where I will do a lot more vending videos. As you can see, there's no one around, so I kind of like that. A lot of my locations, there's always people. It's in a break room, it's busy, it's loud. I think this location, we could sit down, talk, and kind of go over more things in the vending machine industry. If that's something you're interested in, please, please, please comment down below, like, share, subscribe. Let's get to know each other. Follow me on Instagram if you'd like, at Dominic Barbado or at Vending Business Solutions. And I'd love to help you in any way I possibly can, as I've been in this industry for a few years, and I could teach you a little something, if you need some help. So hope to see you guys in the next video.